Alright, if you're considering Moundrops for weight loss, here's what you need to know. The product claims to be a natural supplement that boosts metabolism, curbs cravings, and increases energy levels. However, there are several concerns. The website cites reputable sources like Healthline and the American Diabetes Association, but clarifies that they are not endorsed by this organization. Customer reviews are scarce, and those available are mixed, with many expressing disappointment over minimal results. Additionally, the return policy is unclear, and the company has limited customer support options. In short, while Moundrops may seem appealing, the lack of scientific backing and mixed user feedback suggests caution. For effective and evidence-based weight loss solutions, it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals and consider products with proven efficacy. And that's it. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.